Ningi zisasebenzisa indlwana zokuphumela zemgodi. Zithi zinjalo nje zaningemakhiwo egirikawo. Inkolo zivulwe ngenyanga epheleleko, inkulungwana zabafundi zibuyele enkolweni nonyaka nje. Kodwana saqale neentjhijilo zeminyaka epheleleko. Isikolo samabanga phezulu iLowly Secondary School sakhiwe eSewula eJohannesburg. Abafundi bafunda ngokuhlekana ngombana kuhlayela amaklasi wokufundela. IDA esifundeni seGauteng ithi isikolo esinabafundi abazinkulungwane 2 ekutsho bona bafundi abamachumi asithandathu eklasini ngalinye. Isikolo esasinamanzi kunye nendlwana zokuphumela ezazisako. Lokhu kubonakala kuyingozi ebafundini nakubotitjhere. Kodwana kusiwo wodwa umraro loyo.
Which were earmarked or which the contractor has started, all of them have been abandoned and contractors have left site. We don't believe that the Department of Education is capable to actually provide enough space considering the demand with which many of our learners are facing, including lowly areas.
Ihlangano eqalene neendaba zefundo ithi kufuneka imali eningi ezokulungisa imithangalasisekelo yeenkolo.
Sufficient funding is always going to be the first step. But it also goes beyond that in the sense that the money allocated to school infrastructure needs to be spent well.
Kodwana abanye abachuchuzeli bezefundo bathi urhulumende ayedwa ngeza khona.
Government alone may not be able to resolve all of these issues. It is for this reason that we have called upon the private sector on many occasions to come on board with a view to assist.
Omnyaka opheleleko bebaneentjhijilo ezifana nokuqindeliswa kwegezi nomonakalo enkolweni owenziwe lizulu ngezinye indawo. Njengombana umnotho ubogaboga nje, imindeni iqalene nomtjhono angeze yakhona ukufundisa abantu babo enkolweni ezinjengalezi.